I'm Morgan, and welcome to Creative Corner with the Wapiti Regional Library. Today, we're going to be creating two different Indigenous games. The first game is the bone game. Traditionally, these were made out of carved bison ribs, but today, we're just going to be using popsicle sticks. Each of these sticks counts for a different number of points between 1, 2, 3, and 4, with the blank back standing for 0. Players take turns tossing the sticks and counting how many points they have facing up. The first player to reach 20 points wins. To create this game, all you need is 4 popsicle sticks and markers. Draw a different design on each popsicle stick. I used a piece of paper to make sure I remember how much each popsicle stick is worth. When it is your turn to go, throw the popsicle sticks on the counter. Keep in mind that the blank backs stand for 0. Right now, we have 3 points, plus 2 points, plus 4 points. What is 4 plus 3 plus 2? That's 9. Now it is the next person's turn to go until somebody reaches 20 points. The second game is called the cup and ball game. This game was used to improve hand-eye coordination that was important for things such as hunting, tanning animal hides, and cooking. Let me demonstrate how to play this game. The goal of this game is to catch the ball in the cup. It might take a few tries to get the hang of it. To make the cup and ball game, you will need string, a ball, a styrofoam cup, and markers. Use your markers to draw a colorful design on your cup. Then, take your cup and flip it over. Carefully poke a hole in the bottom of your cup with a pencil. Cut yourself a piece of string about a foot in length and then put it through the bottom of the cup. Tie a knot on this end and then tie the other end to your ball. Now you have your finished cup and ball game. Now that you've learned how to play these new games, go out and challenge your friends or parents. Not only will they learn a new game, they'll also learn about some of Canada's Indigenous history. Thanks for coming to Creative Corner, and I hope to see you next time.